Yo, 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 yo. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who is there? Who is there? Let's set up the things a little bit. Man, I have a lamp here. But always, I am really in the dark. Why the cam? Come on. Yes. Now we get some light in here. Come on, paid so much money for you. Do your job. I think it's also because of the background. Because there's so much sun coming in. We are going to start really soon. Okay. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's check it out. Jerry, good morning. Or good evening. Good midday. Yo, man. Yo, yo. How you doing? Okay. Let's check out. Let's start. Let's get in the focus. We have losses to recover. Okay. We have nothing high, no high impact today. At all. Good. Good. Okay, yesterday the trade totally killed us. I lost my profits yesterday and was down like 1,600, but made it all the way up to 200 last night. Great job, great job. But keep in mind, revenge trading can destroy people, and this is what's happening 90% of most traders. Through revenge trading, you can lose all your capital just because of that, just because of the emotion. Happened to me many times and happened to many other traders. You have to be aware of this. I closed yesterday like this, and I go with these emotions that I had to handle, and it's totally fine. I took this as a lesson yesterday. I didn't enter right away, but later after setup. Okay, great. I'm happy for you that you could recover some of the losses yesterday. But I would say it's totally fine, right? We had 27 winning setups, Jerry. And rarely we lost one. It's part of the game, man. It's part of the game. So let's check out what's going on. I have to go into focus now, into hyper focus. Yeah, no worries. Part of the game. Exactly. So where we are here. What I can see here is this level in the past. And it's hitting exactly the same level. Like, this is more a valid zone for me right now. This is also a valid zone. Mostly look at this. Hope clearly it's touched. It's almost the same setup like yesterday. We are still now in a downtrend. 50 minutes is downtrend. 5 minutes is just touching the underlip of the moving average. But the rest, so the daily is still bullish. 4 hour is bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 30 minutes is bearish. 50 minutes is bearish. 5 minutes is bullish. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So fact is, we have here a big zone. Big zone and above here. We can mark down. We can mark down our seller's point. Is almost the same setup as yesterday. So today we just have to be more patient before we make any trading decision. Man, we squeezed in. We squeezed in. There's a potential breakout. Potential breakout with a bullish moment. But we have also soon New York session. And what can happen is that they fake out once again. But we are not gonna rush it today, man. I'm gonna take it. Seems like a touch for me. Yeah, exactly. Again, it's like if it breaks 4,000, how low it can go? Let me check. $4,000. Next level is here. 3,900, but it's hard to tell. Mostly in the break of a important level, price is going to hunt the next thick orders. So when here, I mean, 4,000 was cracked already a few days ago, and 28th of October. So how can you tell? You have to understand one thing, Jerry. When a certain level gets cracked, the big banks, the big whales, starting to sail a huge amount of money. And this huge amount of money don't care like how many people are in the markets. Like they can manipulate the market so strong that you don't even know where the market is going. You don't know where it's going, man. You can't tell. It's not enough to make a support zone like this. It's just a possibility. And when the knife is dropping like really fast and really hard, man, this supply and demand technique is bullshit. It's bullshit. But You can only expect a reaction on certain zone, but never be sure. I can't tell you like the market is going to stop exactly here. I only can tell you is a possibility that the market is hitting the zone and we expect a reaction. But for now, I don't see a lot of positions except this one here, for example. We have here a lot of volume inside. You can see this because here the downtrend like stopped and they started to put money in. And they recover from this zone here. You see that? They make like the back push to retest this zone here and then they continue with their uptrend. So basically we can never say like, okay, this zone. We just wait until we get like a clear market structure again. Until the ball or the knife stopped falling down and is getting stronger again. It's the same way. Like, just keep it in mind, Jerry. Like when the knife is dropping, and yesterday we tried to catch a falling knife, which was really bad. But we just went a little too early into the market. Just a little. Because it was a nice fake out trap. Like, man, I was really so sure about the trade, but as I say, it's a business of possibilities. I was sure about it that we have enough buying power, enough buying pressure that they're gonna push through it. What not happened. New York just manipulate. And this is what New York loves to do. Keep this in mind. New York loves to do trap people. They come into the market. They go shoot the same direction you're going and you think, okay, we're going to break out. But they're just dipping in and hunting all the early buyers to get the most best position they can have and then continue with their up push. Or they fuck it and they just sell the shit out of gold or buy the shit out of gold. There are only these two options. This is what New York does. New York keep pushing one direction, or before he going this direction, he go down first, hunt the early buyers, kill the early buyers, and then continue with the push. Only these two options is New York doing. So many times. And this is why I actually love New York session, but sometimes New York is hard to predictable, man. Because you know when New York session is starting, bro, it's the big whales that are the goats in the market. They wake up. The big whales starting to manipulate the whole market. We are competing, like don't forget we are competing against the most smartest people in the world, Jerry. The most smartest people in the world. This is what we do. It's like playing chess against the world champions. This is what trading is. Do you know how much money lay down in the market every single day? There are like billions of transactions. Like amount of money I can't count. Every single day. They're pumping money in and out. Yes, a lot. Definitely, brother. And we always have to keep in mind, and when we have like a winning streak of 27 men, we are fucking good at what we are doing. So we are really close to New York session again. That's the reason why I'm not gonna rush it this time, as yesterday. Wasn't able to come more earlier today, the live stream. So we're going to be more patient. We're going to see what is New York planning. New York is opening in like 20 minutes, 24 minutes. So what London has done, they pushed. Like they almost made the same movement as Tokyo, like up and down. No range in markets. But what is really important here now is we have a range of 3 markets in. We have a range of 3 markets in. This is Sydney high and Tokyo's high, London's high. Tokyo's high is somewhere in the middle. He made like the foundation. And here is the low of all 3 sessions. You see this, we are actually in a range in market where we get a lot of power right now. And New York is going to be the one who's gonna make the breakout move, which is going to be insane. Like I expect high movement from New York now. Because in these 3 sessions, man, there's nothing happened. Nothing happened, just a little bit up and down. Like in a really thin channel, as I see this. So I mark down the zones. I want 41. Why this sometimes is not happening anything. 41, and below this zone I want 31. 41 and 31. There's 2. Okay, I'll be right back. All right. We are back. Beautiful touch. 30 minutes also above here. Jerry, are you at work? Are you working? I shared the link to who I know. All right, thank you, brother. Thank you, man. I have to check also how we can get ranked in the YouTube search list. Way more up. My cat is going crash out. Yuna has again a crash out fuss. This level down here is important now. Where I have my alarm at 31. man. Come on, bro. Why is this so insanely big? Only way up? What do you mean only way up, my brother? Winning streak, exactly. But always beware, Jerry. It's really important because, you know, as I see, you are funded at Top Step, and we have not the same stop loss techniques and stuff like this. You know, like my stop loss is sometimes 1-to-1, sometimes it's 1-to-2. My risk reward ratio. So for you, it's more critical. You have to be actively managing your stop loss. I'm not responsible for any losses. It's always no financial advice. So please be care of your stop losses, because anything can happen. It can also happen that we lose twice, lose 3 times. My biggest losing streak was, I think, 3 or 4 trades in a row, which broke me, but it's a long time ago. So please, really be careful with your stop loss, manage your risk, and don't overextend your stop loss. Have always a loss limit. Exactly. Yeah, they have also different prices, exactly, and future trading is a bit different, exactly. It's high profit, like future trading is high profit. Like when you're in a good position, poof, you can make insane money out of it. Here's a huge block. Let's see if the 1 minute can break this. I trade only micros MGC, so 1 contract equal 0.1 lot size. Perfect. Perfect. Great. Where are you, Jerry? I asked you this before. Are you at work or are you free today? Work. Where are you working, if I can ask? Driving bus. You're driving a bus and you're inside here, bro. Please take care while driving. Come on, Jerry. Man, I love you, bro. Man, everyone have to make his money, man. Driving bus is not that bad. Some people are working outside in the cold and bringing bricks from A to B. Driving and trading. Oh man. So you have AirPods in your ears and you're listening to me, to my voice, and driving easily this bus. Just don't stress out when we are in a losing position or in a winning position. I don't want that anything happen to you, man. I see. Yep. Okay, gold. Let's go. Last candle before New York is stepping in and start to manipulate the markets. Let's see what New York is planning today for us. New York, New York. Did anyone of my friends join the live? I don't think so. Nobody came in and wrote something. Currently we are at 2 views. But I'm gonna figure it out, man. We need more live people. We need more people. We need to be easily found in YouTube because I search myself. I just put XAUUSD, AUSD in YouTube, but I couldn't find myself. And I have to figure out why. My live channel is not so easy to find. Man, this alarm is so loud. Always I'm like, what is going on? Okay, we have a down push. We have a strong down push right now. My friend Schill from Germany lost his account today and can't trade until next month. Man, that's so sad. That's so sad, bro. Shit happens in trading. So heal. I got it. Jerry, also please be aware of the police. I don't want that they see you with the phone and maybe then they say something. I am also in Germany, brother. I live in Cologne. I can also speak German. Yes. I'm driving local bus here in Turku. Where is Turku? Turku? Finland. Ah, nice. Just no waiting, not driving. Okay, great. Oh. Okay, the last minute. And New York is going to open. I'm really curious about New York now. Come on. Last 10 seconds. Let's get into focus now. Come on, New York. Show me what you got today. Insane push from New York right now. Wow. Big candle. Manipulation, for now, I can't say. For now, for me, it's still unclear. If they are hunting the early sellers, if they're about to push through this zone here, and maybe they can make the same move as here, pushing through it. We have a nice gap. If it's closing above this, we are going to see what is going to happen next. This is the previous high right now. Here, this one. It's going in really strong right now. Wow. Really big push. And we're about to hit this level up here. When we make a nice closure above, I'm thinking right now about for a buying signal. Yeah, man, I think this is going to be a nice buy, but let's wait. Let's don't be too fast. No FOMO right now. No fear of missing out. I want that this candle closes strong. Last minute. Okay, this is no financial advice. We're going to buy gold now, this current state. At this top here. I'm already deep in profits. We have a nice closure. Let's wait. Gold is going now to retest this previous zone. Okay. We are in the trade. 47, 49, 51, 4060. Stop loss. I'm going to put this wide stop loss at 30. Be aware with your entry here. $47. $49. 51 and 60. Stop loss 30. Okay. Put my stop loss at 30. And aim in here for the 60s. Which is a clear 1-to-1. Man, come on. Don't do the same move on me like yesterday. Don't do the same move like yesterday. Don't do the same move like yesterday, bro. If this one is going to do the same move as yesterday, I'm going to sell this shit. So. 47. Some say it will crash to 3,990. Possible, brother. Possible. Let's go, buyers. We're coming closer to our entries, which is great. Come on, push through the zone. Why this big candle when we have a down push? Do you know about accumulation, manipulation, distribution? Yes. Yes, I do. They call it AMD. It's the short form. Let's put alarm on the first take profit targets. Can it be this? Poof. Well, I understand something different with manipulation, to be honest. Yesterday was a manipulation. Like, I mean the real market manipulation. What they did with us. They trapped us. Okay, my first entries are coming back in blues. And when we close above this candle here, the last bearish candle, that will be great for us. That will be great for us. Let's see what the market does up here. In the 1 minute time frame. And we are crashing down again. Last minute candle. Come on, push through it, bro. Come on, push the shit out of this. Push through it, come on. We have enough buying power, man, to do this. We have enough buying power. Where are the bulls, bro? Where are the bulls? Ah! 10 seconds. Man, this looks not good for us. This is not looking good for us. Oh, the last second. In the last second, let's fucking go, bro. Come on. We close above the trend line. Bull says like, no, we are going to push. We are going to push. We are going to hunt these early sellers, hopefully. Sleeping bulls, yes. They're gonna get active soon, my brother. Soon we have a clear confirmation above this line. More buyers gonna come in. You have to understand the market moves. Because we are not the only one who's sitting on the market. We are retail traders. No, we are not retail traders, what I'm telling here, man. Like those who are moving the market, they are gonna be active soon. Because they see we have a clear breakout of this area here. They're gonna buy. But we're going to as soon as we hit take profit 1, we are going to full break even. I'm not gonna risk on the first days where we are recovering, hopefully recovering. Because right now it's still not looking fine. I don't like this at all. But let's wait. We have to be patient and we have to stick to the plan. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Really interesting. Really interesting. We are in blues, back in blues. Let's see if we can close above this last high. If we can break through, we have a breakthrough and we are about to hit our first take profit target. Take profit 1 is hit. I'm setting now my stop losses. I'm going to close manually some more profits right here. I have a great shoot up. Strong manipulation, man. This is insane. This is insane. First take profit hit. We're going for the second take profit, about to hit at 49. I am to close. Finally, some buyers are coming in. Take profit 1 hits. I'm going full stop loss here, full break even here. TP1 is hit. What I'm doing, bro, come on. I want to put this in here. Let's go. First take profit is hit. We're about to hit the second take profit target. Okay, we are almost there. Take profit 2 is hit. TP2 at this point, TP2, which is great. I'm go full break even now. And we are hunting right now. 46. 46 and 46. Come on, let's crack 51. When we crack 51, I'm really happy. We have TP2. TP2 is cracked too. And I'm full on break even. Okay, Jerry, I hope you took this move also. We catch that big move. We was patient and the patience paid out really, really well. 25 seconds to go. Getting weak up there because we have the previous sellers sitting up here. And we are keep shooting up. Come on, keep that momentum. Okay, it's going for a retracement now, I think. I got out, but in profit only 30 was driving, so next week I have a holiday also. Yeah, no worries, brother. So we change our winning streak to 1. And we are about to hit take profit target 3. Yes, take profit 3 is just smashed, which is great. And we have one last runner, which can go all the way up to 60. What a stressful trade today, man. Once again. Take profit 3 is just hit. So where are the people who say he's gonna crash to 3,390? Didn't happen here. So we step full break even. Full break even. Just like here. And let's see if we can hit TP4. Just in here. At this range. We can set the alarm to 60. Do you trade your stop loss or you have multiple entries? I have multiple entries. I open in total 7 positions. And the first 3 positions are for take profit 2. Take profit 2, take profit 1 I mean. So 3 positions for take profit 1. Then I have 2 positions for take profit 2. And then for 3 and 4 I have only 1. So first of all, I want to make like this big profit, like just nipping some profits. And after take profit 1 or take profit 2, I go on full break even. In this case, I wait for take profit 2 and then I went full break even. Okay. So what can happen now is they are going to retest like this big candle. Can you take another entry on retest? Me personally, no, I will not go inside again. Because why? You check the 15-minute. In the 15-minute we have like this moving average where we have currently struggled to push through. And as I told you before, New York loves to hunt the early sellers, and what can happen next is that they completely manipulate the market. That's my greed, I know, but you have to turn your greed off, Jerry. You have to turn your greed off, otherwise you won't win. It's the same for me, man. For me was yesterday when I was live. You remember when I talked the lost? The devil. I don't call it greed, I call it the devil. The devil was playing with me and saying like, come on, let's make a re-entry. No. I have to keep myself back to not make that decision. I just want that one shot in one day. Always one trade, but a good trade. And that's it. That's it, man. We are not chasing anything. Like, you know, in trading you have to have patience, man. This is the most important thing. I call it always and every time, again and again and again. It's the patient, man. It's the patient. There is a day. There is another day. Because what can happen when you play with your greed? There is a possibility that you're gonna lose this trade also. And when you're still in this emotion and your greed is taking over you, you want to go again maybe for a revenge trade, and then you have 3 maybe losing streaks and blowing off your account, and you're starting again from 0. Man, I had accounts at FTMO, brother. I was about to pass, like there was like 40 euro or something left. I remember when I had like the few first challenges I was passing. Man, there was only 40 euro or something I had to crack to pass my second fast. But my emotions took over and I was like, okay, I'm gonna take another trade. I'm gonna close this today. I didn't have this patience and I blow whole my account off, mother. There was only 40 euro left and a big account size. And I blow it completely off just because of this greed, just because of this emotion. And since then, man, I had depressions, man. I was like really fucked up. I was like, oh my god, what I have done. And since then, I swear to myself, I'm not going to do any revenge trading, any shit of greed, because this is killing you, man. This is killing you. I have to make $150 plus for 5 days to get paid out with this funded, but they don't have to be consecutive. So you have time, man. Like, don't rush it. Don't rush it, bro. And if even not, like, put this 5 days out of your mind. And what if not? What if not? Are you going to die? No. Even when you need 10 days, even when you need 30 days to make your first payout, just don't push it. Where do you see this buying powers? I can explain you, my friend. So, you see this big fat 30-minute candle that New York just pressed out, like going to the toilet? That's where I see buying power. And also here. Like yesterday, the trade, where we had multiple sellers and we couldn't push through this zone. So what happened? The big knife fall down. Okay? This is what I call the big knife. When this fall down, we don't catch it. We wait until it drops. And it drops. And then it came to a standstill. And slowly starting to make his way up again. And push again through the zone. And what happened here is it's tapping again into the zone where we have a previous sellers where we couldn't push through it. And New York, and as I said today, look at this. These are the trading sessions. Sydney came in, Sydney pushed down, Tokyo came in, Tokyo pushed up with London together. They couldn't make it through it. The most buying power is in New York hands. So this was my trading decision after I know, okay, we have squeezed in Sydney, Tokyo and London. So this is a high possibility that the trade is going to push. So this is my first indicator for buy. I sold yesterday from the top. Great. Great job. But I'm looking for big candles, aggressive candles. This what I see here is big candles starting from here, my brother. Like, you know, this is for me like the same way you are in a box fight, okay? Somebody's punching the shit out of you, but you still have stamina. And this guy is getting weaker while punching you because you don't have so much stamina. And what happened is you're starting to explode. It's like, what the fuck is going on? So the buyer's coming in. You see this big candle here starting. Next big candle. And he's going crazy. Like more big candles, more big candles. Look at this big move. I was like, it's enough. And then breaking here is structure. Structure broken. And then they hold strong above there. They retesting the previous buy zones here. As I explained you, the same also with the train. When a train driving fast, which is happening here, it can't go so fast down. Only when there's high impact news. So it's the same way you're dragging a cart behind you and you try to go slower, walk slower, there's still weight behind you. And this is the same way in the markets. There's still weight behind. So they come and check the weight here. They can't push through it. So it's the volume that is holding them back. Like you have to be aware of this market moves here. And look at this. We are beautifully moving through our take profit 4 target. So we have a 55, we have a 55, the next level, what we just pushed through this zone here. This was my next worry, but seems like we don't care about the zone. I mean, look at this candles, brother. In 15 minutes, look at this candles. When this candle is closing that strong, man, this is a high buying indicator for buying signals. Look at this. Like when New York started at 2, it shoot up here. It closed here. Then we got for our next retest. Man, we're about to hit our take profit 4 target. I see it. I could close it now. But we are waiting. Look at this. And take profit 4 hit just like that. Just like that, my brother. You see that? You see that? Patient. Patient is the key of the game. Patient. And this is the way I see the moves of the high market, the New York markets. And I love this game. I love this business. I love this business so hard, man. And take profit 4 is just hit like that. Just like that. Wish I could have had a trade. Man, you have to be fast. You have to be like a shark. Like, put your emotions off. What is going to happen? What is going to happen, man? What can happen, Jerry? One day we're going to die. One day we are going to die, man. And we're gonna leave all this money behind. Money is just paper. Money don't have any fucking emotions. What's driving? I know. But I want to give you a really strong message here. Like, if I put $20 now here on my table, what is going to do? What's gonna happen with the money? So how I think about money, I think money is important for me. Yes, it is important in certain ways. But how is the money thinking about me? Money don't have any emotions. Money don't care about you. Money is just like a bitch. Money is somewhere, sometimes there, sometimes there. Sometimes you have money, sometimes you don't have money. Look at this. Insane push. I'm going to take a nice screenshot of this. Beautiful. Let's save this up now. Our trading screens. Just like that. This insane push all the way up to take profit 4. We just cracked, man. Just cracked. Insane, man. True, professional. Thank you. Thank you. Insane, man. Insane. I'm in love. I'm in love, man. What I can say. So we wait for this clear breakout. And why I went so early in this trade was the reason of this big candle. Like, this is indication, man. Like when this candle, the next candle, like completely closed, you are 100% sure this is high manipulation shit. Like, there are two big whales. Because look at the scale. Look at the scale of this candle, man. This is a high investment candle. This is a high investment candle. From 32 up to 42, man. This is a high investment candle. Like, there's big moves. There are aggressive moves. And this was the reason why I say, like, okay, we are going to buy this candle. We are going to buy up here. Because I trusted, like, the buying power. I trusted the high investment candle. I was like, okay, there's someone big is playing around now. There's someone big is investing. So I'm going to catch this train. I'm going to catch his big move. And we catched it. And we hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and take profit 4. And take profit 4 is for me the master. Like, when you hit take profit 1, like this 3, this is like mental game. Take profit 1, take profit 3, take profit 3. It's like, okay, we made some decent money. But hitting take profit 4 for me is like masterclass, man. Okay, we nailed it. We made like a good amount of it. Okay, so we are done for today. We are done. Jerry, I really appreciate it that you are here in my live streams, that you are my friend, Jerry. I think you are my friend, man. You are a really loyal man. You're a loyal friend. I hope the next days, this week, we're going to make some more profits, but always aware about revenge trading. Always be aware of your capital. Never risk that you can afford to lose. That's really, really important at this point. And slowly, slowly, we're climbing up this ladder, but we don't have any rush, Jerry. Even when you're gonna sit one more year in this bus and driving it, and sometimes you have days where you say, like, I hate to drive this bus. We keep going, man. It's nothing gonna change. The only change that is gonna come in the future is that we're gonna crack the egg, that we're gonna crack and we're gonna get successful in what we do, and that we're gonna make some big payouts. That's what our goal is. I have a few friends who are interested, but they wait for me to get money out before starting. Next summer, I will be a millionaire. Man, I wish you this from all my heart. From the bottom of my heart, Jerry, I wish you this, that you are going to be successful, because I think you deserve it. Because I think you deserve it. Because you're a man who never stopped fighting. And you're getting older and you never gave up. And this is the most important key you have. The key element that you have in your heart, that you don't give up. Doesn't matter what's happened. Doesn't matter how much money you lost. You told me like 20k something you lost. Have lost over 20k, exactly. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just money. Money come in and money go out. I have lost also. I have also lost my emotions. I went in depression. I had days where my head was like circling around because I was so deep, man. So deep into this emotion. It's like, why I can make it? Why I can make it? I cried. I cried many times, man. I cried many times. I cried many times. The bottom of my heart, like I cried the shit out of myself. But this is what we do. We don't give up. You just have to promise me this, Jerry. We don't give up. And today, you're maybe my only one viewer and the only one with who I'm talking in my chat. But in some days, we're gonna have a lot of people. We're gonna have a lot of people in this chat. And you, Jerry, you're gonna be the first and the only one guy who supported me until this day. You're gonna have like this high place in my group, and you are going to be the only one. I promise you here and now. You're gonna get all my courses for free. You're gonna get everything I'm selling out to people. If it's a one-to-one coaching that costs more than £2,000, you're gonna get it for free. I promise you this. Okay, a man-to-man promise here at this table, at this live stream, because you was the only one who followed my signals and you didn't give me up. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. This comes from my heart. There are big things planned and you're gonna get everything for free. You're gonna get to the Discord channel. You're gonna get the signals for free. You're gonna get the LTA, the lifetime access for free. You're gonna get everything for free, brother. Because I want that you push up. The only thing that I want from you, Jerry, after your breakthrough, after your success, I want a clear video of yourself where you're explaining your emotions, your journey to trading, and how I helped you to break out of the zone. This is the only thing that I'm gonna expect from you. But let's wait until your clear breakout, until your first payment, your payout. Let's wait, because I want that you gain the same skill that I have. And then the only thing you have to give me is exactly this: a clear video where I'm explaining and talking. And maybe one day we're gonna go and do what is his name, man? When the people are sitting in the room and talking like in the microphones. A podcast, exactly. Maybe one day we're gonna do a podcast together. I'm gonna invite you, and then we're gonna do a podcast. In some years, I think. Maybe in 1, maybe in 2, maybe in 6 months. Let's see. Okay? This winter is our, Jerry, and the success is our. We don't give up, even when we lose. Okay? Great. I wish you a great day, Jerry. Be careful, drive safely. See you tomorrow. And tomorrow I hope you can put out some more trades with me. Exactly. So thank you. Thank you guys. Love is out. Kisses are out. Thanks for supporting and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.